Hey buddy, today in this video, we're making andouille chicken sausage fried rice. Let's begin. We have here some andouille chicken sausage. It's 12 ounces and we're going to be using around 6 ounces. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to slice it up. There we go. We're going to put the sausage to the side for right now. For the sauce for the fried rice, we'll need 1/4 cup of soy sauce. There you go, that's 1/4 cup. We'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. There you go, that's 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. There you go. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Take everything and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We'll also need 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables. There you go, that's 1.5 cups. Okay, we're set, and now let's cook up the fried rice. Okay, the pan is heated up. We're just going to add some olive oil. Spread the oil around. Now let's brown up the sausage. Try to brown up the sausage on both sides. Okay, we browned up the sausage. We're going to pick it up. We'll need 2 eggs. Scramble the eggs. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to add in the 1.5 cups of mixed vegetables. Stir that around. Next, we're going to add 4 cups of white rice, jasmine rice. Stir everything all together. Try to break the rice apart a little bit. Next, we're going to add the sauce. Stir everything all together. We're going to add the sausage back in. We have here 1/2 cup of chopped up green onions. We're going to add half of it in, or maybe just a little bit more is fine. And stir everything all together. Okay, we're done. Let's pick it up. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is just add just a little bit more green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Chicken andouille sausage fried rice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.